Etong notebook na to is my devotional notebook nung 2018. And nakita ko siya nung isang araw nung naglilinis ako. And then, pinasa ko yung mga contents nito. Well, not lahat, kasi ganito yung mga sulat. Diba? Yung iba dyan is sulat ko during a youth service, yung iba devotional. So, gusto ko sanang i-share sa inyo itong devotional ko last July 7, 2018. And amazing kasi during this time, nung araw na yon, hindi ko maiisip na makakatulong to sa 2025 na Rika. Kasi during that time, I'm just writing. I'm just talking to God. And, yun. So, gusto ko share sa inyo yung sa pabang part. It's very timeless and relevant. And I feel like, ganito yung feeling niya eh. Parang yung old self talking to me. Ganun. So, share ko sa inyo kasi ang ganda eh. Ang ganda niya. And I believe that it will also help someone. So, this is the application part. So, this is how we do our devotional. So, I use the SOAP method. So, scripture, tapos observation, tapos application, then prayer. So, this is the application part. So, gusto ko siyang basahin sa inyo. It's not very long naman. Okay. Hindi ko maalala kung ano pinagdadaanan ko during this time. But, for me, reading this now, it's very relevant. Sobrang timeless and amazing. Sometimes, we find people unlovable. We just can't show love to people who always do bad things to us. But, Jesus showed His love for us. While we were sinners, He died for us. He commanded us to love others as He has loved us. We love because of the love we receive, not with our own strength, but by the grace from Christ alone. We are chosen for a reason, and that is to advance His kingdom here on earth and to show others of His love by giving the love we receive from God. It's gonna be tough, but by His grace, we can. Only by His grace. We cannot give what we don't have. That is why we need to remain in God, who has infinite grace and mercy, and the love that abounds beyond measure. I know that you'll listen to this and you'll be reminded again. So I'm happy.